What's up, my game friends? Welcome back to brand new video. Hey, look, I don't know where the fuck I am. I kinda maybe stole the kitchen area of my editor, Ijslap. So we're over here right now, and what we're doing is back with you with another cooking video. Yes, because that's absolutely what you guys wanted on this channel, and what this channel is known for is making the best quality of foods. But today, not only are we going to make some food, we're going back to the gamer food. We all remember the gamer breakfast we did like half a year ago. Oh my god! We all got food poisoning from that probably because we don't know how to boil eggs. So the fun part about that is that we actually don't know how to cook. So if this whole place burns down, at least it's not my house. So maybe it's not going to be as bad for my liars as I think it will be. So what we're going to make today is, of course, the multiple camera angles that I'm going to use in this video are going to be used to create the best, the weebest, the most absolute gamers of food, gamer sushi. So what we have come up with is this brand new recipe that's not only healthy for you, it will keep you going in those dark days when you have to stay up till 4 p.m. a.m. and take down that boss. So we have, of course, Redbull and Doritos. Why? I don't fucking know.
So, Neon, do you actually know how to make sushi?
Absolutely fucking not. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, that may be a problem. But it's okay because gamers don't know how to cook either.
Gamers are prepared for the worst. We know how to follow tutorials, right, gamers? We absolutely don't jump into a game blindfolded and just complain about it when we don't know how to do shit. Okay, first off, gamers, we're gonna, of course, crush our Doritos like we did with the hopes and dreams we created long ago as a child. So we're just gonna put them in the bag and we're just gonna suffocate them a little bit so that they are ripe with the despair of being a crushed Dorito used in gamer fucking sushi. I don't know why I'm doing this. So first off, we just put them in the bag. Put a little nut in the bag. I don't know.
You don't have to.
And then we crush it.
Watch out for your hands.
The dreams we had as a child. We choke the fucking shit out of it. Hey, yeah!
So then you should. We take over from editor's perspective, so because he knows how to make actual gamer sushi.
Okay, then you should have this sweet, delicious, what kind of flavor Doritos?
Nacho cheese, of course, the one and only type
and you
of
should
Doritos.
Just mix it with the rice, nice and easy. And if you don't have enough rice, you can just add a bit more, like. Oh, it fucking smells very nice. It sure does.
Okay, the show isn't covered for people throwing up, actually.
Now you have the great mix between rice and Doritos.
Yes, tasty.
Balanced as it should be.
Balanced diet, okay.
So now you have the rice. Then we need to chop the cucumbers. So you're gonna just chop just a few slices.
At any point in time, actually. So first off, to skin your cucumber, be sure to actually fucking threaten me. Because we're gamers, we threaten you. Can I say? I don't know. Okay, first off, we chop off his head. Give it a less painless execution. Take off the force. I mean not the force. I don't know what it's foil. Foil skin.
Watch out you don't cut your fingers, okay, and then you should
Because we're
go it again. We're gonna put it like horizontally on the sushi. So I feel like, yeah, that's good. And the other one we can just eat or use for the actual sushi.
Yes.
You first, you have to leave it. Okay, then you should get the seaweed.
Second off, the seaweed, of course, because I knew that.
So, how to make sushi? First of all, you should place the rice right on the half, of it. Just cover the half of it.
Okay.
You shouldn't do it with the hands.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
That's more natural.
Okay, yeah, sure. Just Heb je handen gewassen?
Ja.
Oké. Yeah, okay, just okay, and don't be shy, just put like it fucking stinks. Nom nom nom.
Okay.
Okay, so when you did that, okay, then you want the cucumbers, you want them like lying down in the middle. Yeah, exactly. So just
Make a tiny bed of
yeah, no, do an extra layer of cucumbers.
extra layer.
Yeah,
That's too much vegetables for me.
yeah. And so we have those sweet crab sticks that we're gonna add. I don't want to do too much because I find it. Okay, so you finally got. Okay, so the difficult thing about making sushi, it's the roll.
Yeah.
So what you need to do is you need to grab the end of the thing and with your thumbs here, and you have to pressure it together so it will become one big roll. Yeah, just so try. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just make sure to push this one down.
Okay.
To
Pressure it like we pressured all our younger audiences to smash the like button and the subscribe button, because don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content. I'm of course #1 YouTuber above PewDiePie. Who even is PewDiePie? He doesn't use a face cam anymore. We don't know what he looks like. I'm maybe PewDiePie because that's what I am right now. I'm making content that's the fucking rise my finger. Ah!
and at the end, like give a lot of pressure so it sticks.
And then we bow. We thank the Lord, Kirito-san, that he could sponsor this video. This video isn't sponsored or anything. I don't have sponsors.
Okay, then that should be enough. So you can just show the end result.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, oh. Wow.
Wow. Okay, you can
Wow.
put it right here. Wow.
Damn.
That.
Actually something to be proud of. Okay.
Should we get a cross section?
Of course we should get a cross section. This is of course banging of with NeonPuncher knockoff. So we're gonna cut him right in the middle open. Get a nice cross section. So it actually doesn't look that bad as I expected.
But it smells horrible.
But it smells fucking disgusting.
But we can fix that because we also have our special sauce. Wait.
So of course we couldn't find Mountain Dew because that isn't sold in like the Netherlands or something. I don't fucking know. So we're substituting it with, of course, #2 most gamer energy drink. This is gonna fucking explode in my hand if I open it, maybe.
So a little bit.
Oh, this is actually. Ooh. I don't fucking drink this shit. Keeps the veins pumping.
So why don't you just have a bite?
Eat like the normal weebs say. Eat the dakimasu, senpai-san, Lord Dio-sama. This is a fucking mistake. I hope my taste buds are fucking dead. Mmm. It's great. This is a fucking cucumber.
Should you eat it with or without the energy?
I'm gonna fucking taste it. Wait.
You should combine it.
Oh, fucking mistake. Don't do that. Oh, it's great, gangbang. Fuck.
You okay?
I just taste fucking Doritos
With rice.
with rice. It's oh, oh fuck. God made a mistake creating us. This is fucked. Please save my fucking soul. I just taste It's a fucking gamer schmuck. It tastes like fucking gamer schmuck and it's fucking fun.
So, now you know how to make gamer sushi.
Well, gamers, that's it. That's the recipe. If you want to, of course, know this recipe, it's found in the link in the description below. That absolutely... That absolutely doesn't take you to like a Rickroll video. No, just please click it. It's an honest to God great recipe. So you should try it. Make it for your whole family, for your friends, for your gamer friends. Of course, make it as like a cooking session on Discord because we're all stuck home, of course. So we can go anywhere, like me. So that's basically it. If you want, of course, more cooking videos with me, the NeonPuncher, and my fuck you, no, to say, then be sure to smack the like button and subscribe to become a Neon big boy today. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye bye.